Welcome to today's review on the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. This laptop is incredibly powerful and stylish, making it one of the most desirable machines for gamers and creators alike who demand performance without compromise. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this gaming laptop at the best price in the market. Right off the bat, the Alienware 16 Aurora impresses with its brilliant 16-inch WQXGA display running at 120Hz, offering vibrant, fluid visuals that make games, movies, and creative projects pop with extraordinary detail and smooth motion. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card featuring 8GB of DDR5 RAM, you get next-generation ray tracing performance, realistic lighting, and crystal-clear frame rates that transform your gaming sessions into immersive experiences. Under the hood, the Intel 10-core 7240H processor, capable of up to 5.20 GHz turbo, provides uncompromising speed, allowing seamless multitasking and effortless handling of demanding applications, whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D models, or streaming gameplay. Multitasking is further enhanced by 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 metric tons per second, ensuring that switching between heavy applications feels instantaneous and lag-free. Storage is no less impressive, with a massive 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, configurable up to 4TB, giving you blazing fast load times and plenty of space for your game library, creative projects, and media files, all while keeping your system responsive at all times. The design of the Alienware 16 Aurora is both elegant and practical, featuring the Interstellar Indigo chassis that balances portability with thermal efficiency, making it comfortable to carry while ensuring peak performance. Advanced Cryo-Tech cooling with the innovative cryochamber directs airflow precisely where it's needed, keeping your CPU and GPU cool during long gaming marathons and preventing throttling, which is critical for maintaining high frame rates and system stability. The backlit keyboard adds both style and practicality, allowing you to game or work in low-light environments, while customizable lighting effects elevate the aesthetic appeal of the laptop. Connectivity is modern and fast with Wi-Fi 7, ensuring stable and low-latency online gaming and quick downloads, while Windows 11 Pro provides a secure, flexible, and feature-rich operating system experience tailored for productivity and gaming alike. In terms of cons, the Alienware 16 Aurora is slightly larger than ultra-portable laptops, which means it's not the lightest travel companion, and the price is on the higher side, but considering the hardware, premium build, and gaming performance, it is an investment that's truly worth it. Overall, this laptop is ideal for gamers who want top-tier graphics and performance, content creators seeking reliable speed and multitasking, and anyone who values a balance between power and stylish design. Whether you are playing the latest AAA titles, streaming content, or editing multimedia projects, this laptop handles everything with remarkable ease, making it a powerhouse that doesn't compromise. The combination of high-end components, advanced cooling, and a visually stunning display ensures that every session, whether gaming or creating, is immersive, smooth, and enjoyable. If you are ready to upgrade your gaming rig or want a laptop that performs as well as it looks, don't wait. Check the link in the description below to secure your Alienware 16 Aurora gaming laptop at the best available price and start experiencing next-level performance, exceptional graphics, and ultimate portability today.